I've had people look at what I do and they say, oh, I would never do that to my car. Until they show up one day and go, you know what? I want to do that to my car. I started building stuff really young, like 8 or 9. So I built a car at 15 and a half. That sort of started it. I like to give people plenty of range and plenty of power. This can go up to 1,000 amps. This one will draw 70 amps, so I can charge 3 times as fast as that J1772. You know, I can build you a Volkswagen bus. It'll be a sleeper. And 200 miles of range, 4-wheel disc brakes, you know, rack and pinion steering, and all of a sudden you're in a 67 bus that it's got, you know what, 3, 6, 1,000 horsepower and handles. It's a different experience when you roll down the window and it's quiet. Getting goosebumps thinking about it.
5, 4, 3.
It's kind of this never-ending pursuit of making it incrementally better. Constantly coming up, what's the next idea? How do I make this better? Because it is a piece of art. I'm a car guy who loves cars, who doesn't need to own a car, but I will build cars for people who love cars. If you want something extreme and really fun, that's where I take over. We work on these cars, but it's the point where, okay, now it's time to put some spit on this car. We'll clean it up, because that's when we know it's done. Now it's something you just unplug and go.
There are a million ways to get it dirty, but there's only 5 ways to get it clean. 5W. Bring on the dirt.